case knives, and search the catalog with that object as the query, those pixels as the actual query. We use deep learning models to understand these images, not just the pixels, but the actual objects within them, and we show pinners visually similar ideas through that technology. Our team has built a distributed index and search system that allows us to scale to billions of images and find thousands of visually similar results in a fraction of a second. And to be clear, this technology isn't just looking for duplicates, as you can see. We're optimizing on visual similarity. And so that means both exact results, things that show up in the exact same image, but also unexpected results that bring forward the serendipity that Pinterest really should have for people. Things that are similar in style, pattern, or shape, but may not be the exact same thing. We think that's incredibly important for a human service like Pinterest. Our machines are getting smarter each time a person visually searches. That interplay of people and machines together. Here we have actually the most popular visual searches on Pinterest since launch. As you can see, people are searching for furniture and decor for their home. They're also searching for bags and fashion for their own wardrobe. And we show them products they can buy at different price points on and off of Pinterest. And the real power of visual search is discovering new ideas and products you may not have known existed or knew how to describe. Bring to life products that would have otherwise been static objects in a bigger picture, a holistic picture. Today, I'm excited to share that in just 6 months, we're seeing over 130 million visual searches every month with our visual search technology. This incredible part of Pinterest is built by a small team, just 4 people of computer vision experts, because they're able to build off the work of over 100 million people every month building the catalog by hand. And lastly, we're investing in changing how people discover taste-driven products to buy. All of those discovery experiences, those technologies I described, whether it's search, home feed, or visual search, they're all focused on the idea that we should allow human beings to explore the visual space, explore visual objects on a daily basis. Through all of these technologies, you can visually discover products you can buy with a few taps on Pinterest, with something we launched last year called Bible Pins. As I said, last year we launched Bible Pins, and now we have over 50 million unique Bible products on Pinterest that can be purchased with just a few taps from within the application. And those are from 20,000 merchants natively on Pinterest today. At its essence, Bible Pins are really the reference expression of ideas in the catalog. They're rich, comprehensive ideas, in this case purchasable, annotated by human taste, and then amplified through the technology that we build. With visual search, these 2 technologies help you visually find products that are instantly buyable instead of static pages. Because at the end of the day, the promise of a catalog is more than just looking at that beautiful item and exploring it, but actually taking action on it, in this case, by purchasing it. So Pinterest is the world's catalog of ideas, used by over 100 million people around the world every month. It's those people who are building, pin by pin, the catalog itself. They're hand stamping each idea with their own tastes, associations, and preferences. And we as a company are excited about building the technology that amplifies that human taste and makes use of it to refine the catalog for the next 100 million people who use it. Thank you.
Jack, the way Google uses information retrieval has changed the way people think, right? And I guess I'm wondering whether or not visual search and a pin's layered information is beginning to change, in your experience, the way people see the world as well.
Absolutely. We fundamentally believe that for visual objects, visual things that should be in a catalog of ideas, the best way to access and experience those is through the visual information that is really hard to write down. It's really hard to write text to describe. Pictures obviously are worth 1,000 words, and so we're really seeing that in the way that we build technology.
Can I extend this capability into the real world? So can I take a photograph of something in the world with my smartphone and then pin it to pin and then use that to go and find similar things to buy or to explore?
So that's not something we're able to do today, right now. If you're using Pinterest, you can go in and see the pin and see the existing images to use, but it's not hard to imagine a world in the future where we're able to really make those visual queries happen. And we believe, and we're very interested in being a company that is at the forefront of how we think about search and how we think about visual search.
Thanks. I'll have you back on stage in a sec.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.